Homemade jambalaya recipe with prawns, chicken sausages. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a flavorful and spicy treat for you, homemade jambalaya. We'll be mixing succulent prawns, tender chicken, and savory sausages with a blend of spices and rice to create a mouth-watering Cajun-inspired dish. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this delicious jambalaya in the comfort of your own kitchen. Here's what you'll need for our homemade jambalaya. 1 cup of long-grain white rice. 8–10 large prawns, peeled and deveined. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, diced. 2 andouille sausages, sliced. You can also use smoked sausages. 1 bell pepper, diced. 1 onion, diced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, of diced tomatoes. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Now that we've got our ingredients ready, let's dive into the preparation. Step 1. Prepare the rice. Start by cooking your rice according to the package instructions. Once it's done, set it aside. Step 2. Sauté the proteins in a large skillet or pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the diced chicken and sauté until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Next, add the sliced sausages to the same pan and cook until they start to brown. Finally, add in those beautiful prawns and cook until they turn pink and opaque. Once everything is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Step 3. Sauté the aromatics in the same pan. Add the diced onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Sauté them until they become tender and aromatic. Step 4. Add the seasonings and tomatoes. Sprinkle in the Cajun seasoning, paprika, thyme, and oregano. Now, pour in the can of diced tomatoes and let the mixture simmer for a few minutes. Step 5. Combine everything. It's time to bring it all together. Add the cooked rice back into the pan with the vegetables and spices. Don't forget to add our cooked chicken, sausages, and prawns back into the mix. Step 6. Add chicken broth. Pour in the chicken broth to keep everything moist and flavorful. Stir well and let it simmer for about 10–15 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is cooked to perfection. Step 7. Serve and garnish. Our homemade jambalaya is ready. Plate it up, garnish with fresh parsley, and you're all set to enjoy this delightful Cajun dish bursting with flavors. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. It's spicy, hearty, and absolutely delicious. I hope you try making this jambalaya at home. It's perfect for family gatherings or a cozy night in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a tasty update. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with more mouth-watering recipes. Bye for now.